Here is what you need to know about the Certified Public Accountants of Uganda course. Do you want to make a career in accounting? Do you want to practice accounting in Uganda? If your answer is yes, then this video is meant for you. What is CPA, U? The Certified Public Accountant qualification is a designation given by the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Uganda, ICPAU, to individuals that complete the CPA professional course. CPAs act as financial advisors, tax consultants, auditors, business consultants, public accountants, and can take up any position related to finance at a company. Once you are a CPA, the opportunities are endless. To register as a CPA student, one must have one of the following qualifications. 1. Degree from a recognized university. 2. Accounting technician's certificate or diploma. 3. Diploma pursued for a period of at least 2 years from a recognized university or institution of higher learning. 4. A-level certificate. 5. Foreign accountancy qualification, for example ACCA.
The CPA syllabus. The CPA Uganda course is made up of 4 levels. Level 1, testing of competence with 7 subjects. Level 2, testing of technical skills with 5 subjects. Level 3, testing of professional skills with 5 subjects. Level 4, testing of professional expertise with 1 subject. Integration of knowledge. The detailed syllabus can be obtained on the Institute's website, www.icpau.co.ug. Exemptions. Exemptions may on application be granted to holders of recognized qualifications on a subject-by-subject basis. The detailed current exemption schedule can be viewed on the Institute's website, www.icpau.co.ug. Progression rules. A candidate may sit for a minimum of 1 and a maximum of all the subjects at any level at any one sitting. A candidate must complete a lower level of the syllabus before proceeding on to the next level. An exception to the rule is where a candidate has 2 subjects at either level 1 or level 2. In such a case, the candidates may sit for those subjects with some other subjects at the next level. A candidate must complete level 3 to be eligible to register for level 4.
Examination diets and pass mark. Examinations are held 3 times every year, May, August, and November. The pass mark for each subject is 50%. Modes of study. Harvest Training and Consultancy Limited is recognized and approved by the Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Uganda, ICPAU, as a tuition provider for the CPA professional course in Uganda. We have been offering the CPA Uganda course for 8 years now and produce the top performing students in Uganda. Our online training allows you to study anytime and anywhere. To register, please click on the link below or contact us via WhatsApp on the numbers showing on your screen right now. You can also sign up via our website, www.harvestuganda.com, to get unlimited access to study materials and other resources including interactive lectures, notes, lecture videos and full tutor support. Our physical address: visit us at Calmax Building, Office Suite D12 Plot 48 Bombo Road, P.O. Box 9449 Kampala, Uganda. Email, admin@harvestuganda.com, our website, www.harvestuganda.com, or contact us by mobile on the numbers displayed on your screens right now. For more details, please register using the link below to attend our free CPA student engagement webinar. We are here to support you in taking your career to the next level. We are excited to receive you. God bless you.